Good afternoon, guys. You know what? I just had my first workout session for quite a while. Although it was just 30 minutes, and I can say it's a good start, I would say. So I would like to thank my friends from Anytime Fitness for giving me that, opportunity to go back to the gym and, sweat, do weights, do a bit of cardio. So
Slow down.
it's good. Wow, giubo naman ako. But the nice thing sa ato na sa gym ba is really Anytime Fitness has a lot of locations, but also sa anytime I think they're open like 24/7. So amazing. So mana. So it was quite funny, but I'd like to thank Leyland the Cebuano also for being my workout buddy. So we go back to the importance of exercise, di ba? Exercise is very important. I used to be a fitness buff actually. If you won't believe it, before I was a food blogger, I ate a lot then, but like I work out more or less like at least 2 hours a day. So that's at least. Sometimes I do double sessions and I'd even work out at night as well. To the point that my wife was like thinking I was overdoing it, or thinking I was doing something in the gym. Of course, the gym is a nice place to meet some new friends, people with the same goals, diba? So manatong team run is about fitness, working out. I mean, it's never too late, I guess, to start or to go back. Because sometimes when we stop, it's really hard. The longer we stop, the harder it is to come back. And that's the reality. You can equate it in schools, in when working out, in your secret passion, in blogging, your diba, especially your mga hobbies mo that you love, like painting. The less you do it, the harder it is to come back, diba? So a lot of people are really, their biggest steps when it comes to working out is to make it easier for you. Let's say you sleep on your workout gear. So when you sleep, naka shorts naka jogging pants, naka singlet naka, so that even naka socks naka, so that when you wake up, you just wear your shoes and you go. Because diba, if you make it so hard, diba,
Slow down.
manang kuan ba, yan na, mag-ilis pa ka, daghan na kay kag mga kuan ba. There are many risk factors already that will prevent you from doing what you plan to do. So ganahan ka mag-workout, yan din makakita ka sa mong cellphone, tanaw sa kag sini mo, ingon kag 5 minutes no, or ay mag-ilis pa man ko. So you think of something like, I'm gonna drink water first. So the best thing is, if you wanna change your life, like sa workout, I guess mauna kung tips na to do it often is to make it easy for you. So do it often also. So like doing it daily. Some people can suggest daily, but doing something daily is habit forming. Diba? So you won't establish a habit or a routine if you don't do it often. Diba? Regularly. Dapat naka-schedule. Some people say, so stiff na na-schedule. Would you wonder why, soldiers wake up kada bang sayo ang say designated time to wake up? It's also to build a habit na matag sa'yo, maanad imong lawas, maanad imong body clock na at this time you have to be moving. At 4 o'clock you have to be alert, awake, and enthusiastic. Diba? Same thing sa baliday. If you want to avoid something, if you want to kick a certain bad habit, let's say you watch too much TV, para makuan kick it off, taguin ang remote somewhere kang lisod kang imo pang katkaton, because sometimes our body will just say, hey, I don't like the hassle. So the same na concept sa we wear our workout uniform or workout gear na itong outfit. Same lang kung taguan na nimo mong sigarilyo, taguan na nimo mong remote somewhere that you have to make an effort. O, di ba? So even if imo tong kuhaon, the fact na himo na kag-effort, at least exercise na kagamay or something like that, but usahay atong bodies ba we love it easy, we love it instant, and kung atong mind ba, especially karon na generation, ganahan mo instant, di ba? Instant results, instant buhatan na. And probably you will kick a habit naman sa tanaw TV or sa tanaw sa kaog sa sigarilyo or taguin imong chichirya, di ba? Make it an effort na kinahanglan mag-effort ka, o, di ba? So weird ka itong mga topics, but maunag na itong topic ron. It's about, creating habits, and that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, I don't know, for example, kaning driving na to, di ba? I haven't been doing driving for quite a while, so okay lang, I haven't done it much also because wala naman ko nagbuhat in some days, so manang there'll be a lot of mga missed days. So the same thing lang, na habit naman to during the pandemic. Also we have the disk phase now, kanang daghan kay backlogs. So mo pa na kog habits to how to kill those backlogs. Kaya this okay na backlogs, di ba? So malang atong i-try. It's always gonna be a challenge to change. Oh, di ba? Oh. Apa? So muna, so you wanna make habits, di ba? So muna kapoy kaling na drive ron kay grabe ang traffic, but it's nice to have you guys kung traffic kayo. Oh, di ba? It's nice to have you guys lagi na being with me, kasi lisod kay lang solo lagi ta. Now we're talking, and in a way I'm motivated also to do stuff because of you. So muna, oh, di ba? Funny ra kaayo. Okay. So mana, we're trying to kick habits and start habits. Hopefully, mana, I can show you videos niya po niya na mag-workout na ka, but hopefully kanang pirmi na kay bait ka lang. Makikita mo storya ba? But yeah, I'm trying to build that habit, and hopefully makaya gid ako. Lisod sana when you're in an advanced age. Sa una, I was in my 30s pa. Dali ra kay to early 30s pa ko or mid 30s. Laban na kayong working out. I was working out every day gid lagi except Sunday probably. Pero mana, I'm trying to channel all the lessons that I learned at that time, and trying to become, to be physically fit, to have the endurance, to have the strength, to have muscles. Man, I was a good bodybuilder, but honestly at that time I was really, compared to now, I really gained quite a lot. let's say I gain around, can you imagine like ako nag-gain tingin sa akong murag itong peak weight na ko at that time, or akong itong best weight is more or less 70 pounds. Oh, it's almost a young girl or a young boy. So laban lang. So that's what I'm gonna embark na challenge, is how to get back into the game, get back into that more active lifestyle at an advanced age. I'm almost turning 50 already, so dapat nagitay wala na. We have mga exercise na dapat mag-workout, nagitay routine man, not too much, not the same thing. It's not the same weights na hinanan mo deadlift kag pila or mo bench press kag let's say mga 200 pounds. Di na ingana kakuan ba, di na ingana ang pressure, but yeah, it's always to maintain the muscles. Diba lahi ang goals, but hopefully malagi na we'll do it often, we'll be serious with this goal. Diba, so I'm laying it out on you so that yes, kamo ang you're the witness also of my intent, diba? Or not really, kung pilar man ni ang viewers ani, diba? So pilar mo, so it's always me looking back, remember this is the day that I try to set goals again, try to, diba? Diba? Na hopefully kamo sad pwede sa mo maghimog journal, and then iapin na ako pero sa akong talks, my physical activity of the day. Diba? Wala, and let's achieve our goals together, guys. Kung lain yung goals, you wanna be rich, you wanna be a billionaire, pwede man. Mararag parallel lang tala, we all have goals. Lahi lagi lang when we set goals, diba, lahi ang mindset. If a person is setting goals and try to achieve it, rather than katong jolly-jolly lang tayo, it's nice to be carefree and happy, but also why not, you can also get happiness when you are, you know, challenging yourself or trying to achieve something that's not easy. Sad ay sobrang ka easy na yung nagkuan, pero something challenging enough na you can be proud of yourself. Diba? So mana guys, it's thank you for accompanying me in this afternoon traffic drive. It's Friday, by the way, here. Pero I don't know, ma-upload nito basig Sunday na, but yeah, I hope you guys are doing fine, doing well, doing amazing. Diba? I want to hear your happy news as well. So let's go back to this, you know, atong talks, atong driving podcast where we talk about things that could matter to me and to you, diba? Inamangay naman kita, diba? And I want to thank you guys. I want to thank you na naa mo sa akong daily drive, so that, you know, I can update you with some things that's on my mind, things that are bothering me, diba? Things that I'm happy about, diba? So wala, let's, you know, share more happy memories together. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you na sa sunod na drives. Bye bye bye.